Some days we don't need something impressive, we need something steady. Today I'm making stuffed eggs with tuna in water, served with fresh vegetables. First, boil the eggs for about 10 minutes, then let them cool completely before peeling. Slice them in half, lengthwise, and gently remove the yolks into a bowl. Add canned tuna in water, not in oil. Then a little mustard, a spoon of yogurt. Mash everything until smooth, then spoon it back into the egg whites. On top I add finely chopped carrots. Around the eggs I place cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, red bell pepper, and a few onion rings. It's simple but complete. Eggs and tuna provide protein, which helps regulate appetite and keeps energy steadier. Fresh vegetables add fiber and balance. After stress or burnout, weight loss isn't about pushing harder. It's about rebuilding stability. In my work with women after 35, I see the same pattern. The body responds better to calm structure than to pressure. Meals like this aren't dramatic. They're predictable, balanced, calm. When the body feels nourished instead of restricted, it softens. And when it softens, change becomes possible again. If this resonates with you, you can explore more at Tessa Diet site.